I think it's important that I tell you a little bit about myself, just so you have an idea of who I am, what I've done, and where I'm going with this. I'm not looking to let everyone into the program. I'm looking for the people who want to build something for themselves, and they don't have any direction or any ideas on what to do to build for themselves. And that's why I want to offer to you, because when I was younger, I wasn't smart enough to understand that it was important to find a mentor or a coach to help me grow my business. So everything I've done over the past 20 years has been trial and error. And I tell you, I've had some really bad years. I remember my first financial collapse. It was in early 2000. I lost over $100,000. I thought my life was over. And I was like, I cannot believe I did this to myself and my family. But the work that I did, I was in real estate, buying and selling, flipping, renting. I learned the real estate markets. It was very hectic. There was a lot of money flowing, and I over-leveraged myself. And ultimately, I lost control of my portfolio through high leverage, poor management, and just maintenance and stuff that I couldn't maintain. So I lost everything.